That was close. That was close. What's good, y'all? It's the Demouchets React, and we're back with another video. Who we got today, C?
Today we are back with another Isle of Man reaction.
Yes.
It's been a while, so we're super excited to get back to it. If you're new to us and we're new to you, make sure you scroll down, hit that red subscribe button, and turn on the post notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into this video. He's so cute.
Of course, it was start off with a kid, bro.
Oh,
man,
he
that's
likes
what's up.
it. That is
Oh,
the cutest
man.
thing. Ooh, child, I wasn't putting my hand right
I
now.
feel for her.
I was not putting my head right there. They laying
She
down.
close her eyes every time. She didn't see it coming. You won't see anything.
They laying down. I'll just be like this on my camera. I'll watch it later.
Camera up, eyes closed. Camera up, eyes closed. All right, you saw that when your eyes was open that time. She keep peeking around that corner. They come fast though, like.
By their heads. Ooh,
And he hanging his head out over there. Look, he like just.
he brave. Enough for a chunk of his head.
Last time I do wig flew off. Here we go. Man, look. Okay.
Okay, they're a little.
I think it's a little baby kid.
Ooh, they about to jump. You know,
Them
the
heels.
heels,
Mhm.
yeah. He likes it. I love kids.
He got a good seat. He gets to literally like watch him pass. He ain't too close.
Alright.
He's like shocked, like wow. Look, wow.
Oh, the baby. She like, what was that? Mama.
It was a late reaction for me.
Oh.
Can you enjoy a sandwich? Oh, hair about to fly. That was close. That was close. Oh,
She likes it. Ooh.
okay, Mama, I see you putting them babies back in time.
That would be me.
Oh yeah, Mama instincts, boy. Look.
She like, back up. He like, I missed it. I almost missed it. Your phone almost went with him. Back up.
He ain't even catching nothing. Well, barely. Yeah, he's still catching it. Man, I love that, bro. Like, I think it's a speed though. It's the adrenaline rush they get, and every time they see something coming that fast,
Yeah.
like that's not natural to just watch on a regular basis.
Yes,
Like,
I wonder if they have motorcycle races like this here.
I believe so. I believe so. It's a pretty big state, so I'm pretty sure they got it somewhere in the outskirts.
Yeah, yeah, like you know, like the NASCAR races, because that's all we really hear about.
Right.
You know?
Yep.
So yeah,
But we do have a actual NASCAR, you know,
the motorsport.
the motorsports thing that we have. So
Yeah.
that makes sense to have if like they have a NASCAR thing, speed race and stuff.
Isle of Man
Isle of Man.
with
I
motorcycles.
always call it Isle of Man.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Man. Yeah. So guys, that is our reaction. We hope you all enjoyed it. Like this video, comment down below. We have enabled our super thanks. If you would like to support the channel that way,
Yes.
subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. We're on the road to 50K.
Yes, sir.
See y'all soon.
Peace.